Welcome back, students. We were discussing about the revised syllabus done by CBSE from 9th to 10th, 12th classes, and we have discussed about the revised syllabus. I have told you about literature, what they have deleted and which topics have been deleted, and I have told about grammar and writing portion also, what topics have been deleted and what will come, which topics will come and which have been deleted. So now it's time to discuss about the new revised blueprint for class 10 for your class. So students, maximum marks will be of 80 marks. You will get the same time 3 hours. And first we will discuss about the section A, reading portion, because in reading there has not been any change. Two unseen passages you used to get, and this time also you will get two unseen passages, and it is of 20 marks. What you need to do is note it down, this blueprint which I have been discussing with you now, and I am discussing with you now. First we will discuss the first section A, reading, which is of 20 marks. In blueprint also there are changes, so that's why I'm saying to all of you that please note it down. So the first portion, the factual or descriptive type passage will come, and it will be of MCQ based. MCQ based factual or descriptive passage will come. Descriptive passage, and there will be 12 questions. You have to attempt 10 questions. So 10 out of 12 questions to be attempted. You have to attempt. There will be 12 questions, you have to attempt 10, and there will be 10 questions of 1 mark. So first unseen passage, which will be factual or descriptive passage, it will be of 10 marks, and there will be 12 questions and they will be of MCQ based questions. You have to attempt 10 out of 12 questions. And the second one will be also MCQ based, multiple choice questions based, and it will be factual passage. And the same will be there, you have to attempt 10 out of 12 questions. So you will attempt 10 out of 12 questions to be attempted, and this will be 10 questions will be there of 1 marks each, so it will be also of 10 marks. Up to 9th class, what you used to do, that there used to be a 12 marks first unseen passage, there used to be of 12 marks unseen passage, and then 8 marks unseen passage, second one. But now CBSE has done, there is a little change. Marks are same 20 marks like it was before, but now they are divided in equal parts, 10 marks each. So first MCQ based factual or descriptive passage, there will be 12 questions, you have to attempt 10. 1 marks question will be there each. And second also MCQ based factual passage, you have to attempt 10 out of 12 questions to be attempted, and 10 into 1 equals to 10 marks. So 10 and 10, 20 marks. So section A will be of 20 marks. This will be now section A. I have told you that 2 MCQ based factual descriptive passage will come, and there will be 12 questions in each passage. You have to attempt 10. Same, both passages you have to attempt, because it is a 20 mark section A, reading. Now we will discuss section B, writing and grammar portion. discuss section B, writing and grammar. Section B. Writing and grammar. Section B, writing and grammar. This will be of 20 marks, students. It is also of 20 marks. So 20 marks section A, reading section, and section B, writing and grammar. So what will be in this? There will be a formal letter, and the word limits will be given 100 to 120 words based on a given situation. There will be a formal letter based on a given situation, and the word limit will be 100 to 120 words. And there will be 2 formal letters will be given. You have to attend 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2 questions. Question 2B. 2 questions will be there. You have to attempt 1. So there will be a formal letter based on a given situation. There will be a situation given that you are this or that, and maybe it is letter to editor, letter of complaint, business letter, or a reply letter. So, and there will be 2 letters will be given, and you have to attempt 1 out of 2 questions to be attempted, and it will be of 5 mark. Now the second one, 4th, means writing an paragraph. Write a paragraph. Word limits is same like formal letters, 100 to 120 words, and that will be also based on a given outline, data chart or use. It will be based on a outline, based on a given outline or data or some hints or cues, etc. And same, there will be 2 paragraphs will be given. 1 out of 2 questions have to be attempted. 1 out of 2 questions to be attempted. And this will be also of 5 marks. So students, as you can see, writing is portion. This is writing portion we are doing first. Writing portion is of 10 marks. One is of 5 marks of formal letters and 5 marks for write a paragraph. And you will have choice that 2 formal letters you have to do 1, and 2 paragraphs will be given, you have to do 1. So 5, 10 marks. Writing portion is of 10 marks. I hope you all are noting down side by side. So let's discuss the grammar portion. Students, as you all know that grammar portion, I have told you the topics which will come and the topics which have been removed, and grammar topics will be by error. I have told you that all the questions will come in 10 marks MCQ questions out of 12 to be attempted. So the topics will be there I have told you the tenses, modals, reported speech, determiners, and one more topic I have told you, and that topic was subject verb concord, and they will come in error form, omission form, gap filling, and rearrange the rearrange the sentences, jumble sentences. Into a meaningful one. So they will be all in MCQ type. There will be 12 questions. You have to attempt 10. Error will be of 2 marks. Omission will be of 2 marks. Gap filling will be of 3 marks. And this will also be of 3 marks. So 2 to 4 and 3 7 and 3 10. So this is also of 10 marks. The grammar will be of 10 marks. 10 MCQ questions. Out of 12 to be attempted. So grammar and writing portion I have told you, writing and grammar is of 20 marks, writing is of 10 marks, and grammar will be also of 10 marks. So grammar error 2 marks, omission 2 marks, gap filling 3 marks, rearrange the jumbled sentences 3 marks, and there will be total 12 questions, but you have to attempt 10 MCQ, and they will be also in MCQ form, multiple choice questions form. So 10 MCQ out of 12 to be attempted. So this section B is also completed. Now let's discuss the last section, which is section C, literature section. And 20 marks of reading and 20 marks of writing and grammar, total 40 marks. So students, now your literature portion has been increased, because previously 20 marks reading section used to be there and 30 marks writing and grammar, because 12 marks of grammar and 18 marks of writing portion, so 30 marks. So and the literature portion used to be of 30 marks, but now the literature section C, literature portion is of 40 marks now. Section C, literature, it is of now 40 marks. How these marks will be divided, let's discuss now. 2 extracts will be given. Extracts, you know, reference to context, so the extracts will be given of 5 marks each. 10 marks of 2 extracts will be given, and short answer type questions will be of 4, 8 marks, and another short answer type questions will be of 12 marks, so 10, and 2 long answer type questions of 5 marks each, so 30 marks like this. So what now, first we will discuss that MCQ based one extract. एक्सट्रैक्ट मीन्स रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट, चैप्टर में से कोई भी एक पैराग्राफ दिया जाएगा और फ्रॉम योर फर्स्ट फ्लाइट एंड फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट, वन एक्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम ड्रामा और प्रोज. So and it from your book First Flight, both the books, and Footprints without feet, and this will be of 5 marks. One extract will be of 5 marks, but 1 out of 2 extracts to be done. 1 out of 2 extracts to be done. इसका क्या मतलब है स्टूडेंट्स? इसका मतलब यही है कि जो फर्स्ट 5 मार्क्स हैं वो दोनों बुक्स में से एक फर्स्ट फ्लाइट में से दिया जाएगा एंड अनदर वन विल बी ऑफ फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट एंड यू हैव टू डू 1 out of 2 एक्सट्रैक्ट्स टू बी डन. एक करना है उसमें से. फिर जो दूसरा MCQ बेस्ड एक्सट्रैक्ट होगा उसमें भी 2 चॉइस होंगे, उसमें से भी हमें एक करना है. वो पोएट्री होंगे, इसमें चैप्टर्स हो सकते हैं और इसमें होगा पोएट्री से दिया जाएगा पोम्स. MCQ बेस्ड 1 extract from poetry, and poetry you will not find any poems in Footprints Without Feet, so this is from first flight because poems are given in the first flight. 1 out of 2, same will be here. 2 extracts in poem forms, you have to do 1 to be done, and this will be also of 5 marks. So 2 extracts, 1 will be from first flight and Footprints Without Feet, because in first flight poems are also there. Drama and prose means from 1 extract will be given from this and 1 will be given from this, but you have to do 1 for the first 5 marks, and the second 5 marks will be given from the poems. कविताओं में से दिया जाएगा जो poems are given in the book, so उनमें से 2 extract दे जाएंगे and you have to do 1 out of the 2 extracts to be done. 5 to 5 5 10. This is the 10 marks. Now short answer type questions. Short answer type questions. First short answer type questions will be short answer type questions. This will be of 8 marks. 2 into 4. There will be 4 questions of each question will be of 2 marks and 4 questions will be given and it will be of 8 marks, but there will be total 6 questions. You have to do 4 out of 6 questions to be attempted. You have to attempt 4 out of 6 questions. 6 questions will be given of 2 marks. You have to attempt any 4, but there is a twist. उन्होंने यहाँ पर एक change किया है. What is the change? Just note it down. 4 out of 6 questions to be answered or to be attempted, to be answered. And the word limit is in 20 to 30 words. 20 से 30 शब्दों में इनका आंसर करना है 6 में से 4 क्वेश्चंस का. But each from first flight 6 questions होंगे. 3 will be given from first flight, 3 will be given from Footprints Without Feet, and you have to attempt 2 out of 3 from so students, I hope you have understood what I am trying to say and what they have told you. Like 2 out of 3 from first flight and 2 out of 3 from Footprints Without Feet. There will be total 6 questions from both the book, First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. But what they have added one twist in this, that you cannot attempt all 4 questions from First Flight or all 4 questions from footprints without feet. 2 questions, you have to write the answers of 2 questions out of 3. 3 questions will be from first flight. You have to attempt 2 out of 3 from first flight, and you have to attempt 2 out of 3 from footprints without feet. Total you will attempt 4, but 2 from both books. This is the twist they have added in this, in short answer type questions. Now next is also the same, another short answer type questions, which will be of 12 marks. So in this also the same, 4 out of 6 questions to be attempted. Word limits will be of 40 to 50 words. So 4 out of 6 questions. 4 out of 6 questions to be answered in 40 to 50 words. 40 to 50 words, and 6 questions will be given, 3 from first flight and 3 from footprints without feet, and the same you have to do 2 out of 3 from first flight and 2 out of 3 from footprints without feet. This is it, students. Same. So this will be of 12 marks. Same twist they have added in this also, that for you there will be 6 questions, you have to attempt any 4, but the 4 you all 2 out of 3 you will attempt from first flight and 2 out of 3 from footprints. 3 questions will be from first flight and 3 questions will be from footprints without feet. You have to attempt 2 from each. So this will be of 3 into 4, 12 marks. So 4 questions, 3 marks each. Now the long answer type questions. Student, long answer type questions now. First long answer type questions will be of 5 marks. Any one out of 2 from first flight, and the word limit is 100 to 120 words. Now another long answer type questions. Another long answer type questions, there will be this also will be of 5 marks. So 2 questions, any one out of 2 from footprints without feet, and the word limit is same, 100 to 120 words. That means, students, there will be long answer type questions. You will get 2 questions from first flight and you have to do any one out of 2 from first flight. Word limit is 100 to 120 words. Another long answer type questions will be there, and 2 questions will be given there also from footprints without feet. You have to do any one out of 2 from footprints without feet, and the same word limit. So 5, 5, 10. So long answer type questions of 10. First, section C literature, 2 extracts of 5 marks each, so 10 marks for extracts, and 4 questions you have to attempt out of 6 from 2 marks each, means 8 marks, 10 and 8, 80, and then another short answer type question. The word limit is 40 to 50 words, and you have to do the same, like there will be 6 questions, short answer type questions, and you have to attempt 4. So 12 and 18, 30, and this long answer type question 5, 35 and 5, 40. So this will be of 80 marks. So this is the blueprint of new revised blueprint which we have discussed, and I hope you have all understood. And if you have any doubts or queries, you will get a PDF form. You will receive a message in PDF in which a detailed explanation will be given. So it is we have to discuss, I have to discuss it with you. I hope every other teacher of all the other subjects will also discuss with you. I hope you all have understood. So that's it for this class. Thank you.